Beth has been out in her garden in the back of the house.
Yeah.
And as you can see, she said the squash here is 1.5 kilos.
4.
4 kilos?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, she's she's here. She says 4 kilos. I thought
and
she...
a half.
4.5 kilos a squash here. Yeah, I can barely pick it up here. So, yeah, very nice. Very nice.
I can't lift that.
Yeah, yeah.
Very heavy.
She's thawing out some beans here, and she cut up the ampalaya here. I guess that's probably in preparation for supper.
Yeah.
Wow, so much stuff here. And what is this?
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Yeah, when they grate that.
Oh, wow, wow. From some of our coconuts here.
Yeah.
Andoy grated it, and she's going to make some coconut milk.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh. Yeah.
She's been busy while I've been, my nap, my hour nap I took. Yeah. She's been kind of busy while I was taking it easy. And if you want to look here, banana bread. Oh boy, and I tasted some before I took my nap, and it's ever so good, ever so good. Wow.
Soft.
Yeah,
Flappy.
very soft.
So flappy.
Very soft. Wow, look at that, everybody. Here, take a bite. Oh, no. Yeah, take a bite. Take another bite. Okay. So she's been hard at it.
Yeah.
Well, I've been napping here, so yeah, I just did a walk around down there for Doro and that to let everybody see down there. So she's definitely been busy, and we cover the bread up and that. So the bugs like it as much as we do. That's for sure.
We still have the.
So, and still have some of our
It's so good, really.
yeah, some of our peppers that we picked a few days ago. She's got in the refrigerator, so still good. So she's cooking up some kind of concoction here.
Yeah.
Probably for supper and that. So I'm going to leave her at it and that, and I'm going to say goodbye to my viewers once again here. Just walked into the kitchen, and wow, she's been busy. Wow, I've been taking it easy, okay? Yeah. So I'm going to say goodbye, and we'll see you the next go-around, okay? It's kind of been fun today with the different things that we're doing, and it's a typical day on the farm here.
This is going to be a funny...
in Burgos and the Philippines, and oh wow, and then she's got...
going to our sprouts.
And she's got some of her sprouts here too. Yeah. Wow, she's been busy, everybody. So I'm going to let you all go so I can upload this video and let everybody see what she's doing here. So everybody have a good day, and God bless all of you.
God bless you.